Greetings and welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we have Oppo A5x 5G smartphone, and in this video I'm going to show you some amazing tips and tricks and hidden features of this smartphone. So watch till the end and enjoy this video. You can use two applications at the same time in a single screen with the help of a simple gesture. Open the first application and then swipe up by using three fingers like this. Now select the second application you want to use. As you can see, you will be able to use two applications at the same time in a single screen. When you are on home screen, you don't have to reach at the corner to open any of these applications. There's a simple gesture for that. To enable this, tap and hold on the home screen and then select more. There you will see the option of icon pull down gesture. Click on this and then enable this. Now whenever you are on home screen, you can swipe up from either side like this. It will bring all the application around your thumb or finger. Then select the app you want to open and then it will open it for you. If you will long press the power button, then it will launch Google Assistant instead of opening your power menu. If you want to set it to power menu, then open your settings, scroll down and then select accessibility and convenience. Again scroll down and then select power button. Select press and hold the power button and then select power menu. Now if you will long press your power button, then it will launch your power menu. But if you want to keep this as your digital assistant, now if you want to launch your power menu, then you can press volume up button and power button at the same time, then it will launch your power menu. You can enable double tap to lock and double tap to wake your screen a feature. To do that, tap and hold on the home screen and then select more. Enable double tap to lock, scroll down and then also enable double tap to turn screen on or off. Now whenever you are on home screen, you can double tap on the empty area, then it will lock your smartphone, and if you will double tap on the locked screen, then it will wake your screen up. If you want to monitor your real-time internet speed, then you don't have to download any third-party app. Open your settings, select notification and quick settings, select status bar and then enable real-time network speed, then it will start showing your internet speed in your status bar. If you want to clone any application or make dual of any application, then open your settings, scroll down and then select apps. There you will see the option of app cloner. Click on this, click on agree and continue. By default it will show the messenger application that you have in your smartphone. If you want to see other application, then select other apps. Then it will show all the applications which are clonable in your smartphone. Select the app you want to clone and then select create app clone. It will take few seconds. After that it will make the clone of that application. As you can see in my app drawer, I have two drives now and I can log in with two different accounts in the same application. You can turn on or off your flashlight when your phone is locked with the help of volume button. By default this feature is disabled. To enable this, open your settings, select accessibility and convenience, select gesture and motions and then enable turn on or off torch with volume button. Now whenever your phone is locked, you can long press your volume down button, then it will turn on your flashlight, and if you will long press it again, then it will turn it off. If you want to increase the life of your phone's battery, then enable the next feature. Open your settings, select battery and then select battery health. There you will see the option of charging, smart charging. Enable this. So what it does, it will charge your phone up to 80% with normal speed, then take a little bit extra time to charge your phone fully. With the help of this feature, you can increase the lifespan of your phone's battery. If you want to change the order of these three buttons, or if you want to set gesture navigation, then open your settings, scroll down and then select system and updates, select system navigation. From here you can change the order of these three buttons. Now if you want to set gesture navigation, then simply select gestures. Click on cancel. Now you can go back like this, open your recent application like this and jump to your home screen like this. When you are on home screen, you don't have to reach at the top to open this control center and notification center. There's a gesture for this. Tap and hold on the home screen and then select more. There you will see the option of swipe down on home screen. Click on this and then select notification and quick settings. Now whenever you will swipe down on the empty area, then it will open the notification center and your control center. This phone comes with a lot of screen of gestures, so whenever your phone is locked, you can simply draw some letters to directly open your applications. To do this, open your settings, select accessibility and convenience, select gesture and motions and then select screen of gestures. The first one is draw an O to open camera. If you will enable this, then whenever your phone is locked, you can simply draw an O then it will open the camera application for you. The next one is draw a V to turn torch on or off. If you enable this, then whenever your phone is locked, you can simply draw a V, then it will turn on your flashlight, and if you will draw it again, then it will turn it off. You can also control your media player when your phone is locked. Simply enable this. Now you can play or pause your music by drawing two lines like this. Play the previous song by drawing this and play the next song by drawing this. You can also set any of these letters or symbols to open your favorite application when your phone is locked. For example, enable any of these and then select open an app. It will show all the application that you have in your smartphone. And then select the app. And now whenever your phone is locked, simply draw that letter and then it will directly open that application for you. This phone comes with a lot of offline themes. With the help of those, you can make your phone look really cool. Simply open your settings, select wallpaper and style. Here you have different themes. Select your favorite one and then click on apply. It will take few seconds. After that, it will set that theme in your smartphone and make it look really cool. If you like to multitask in your smartphone, then you must use the next feature. Open your settings, select accessibility and convenience. There you will see the option of smart sidebar. Click on this and then enable this. It will start showing a transparent bar on the right side of your screen. To open this, simply swipe to the left. Click on get started. By default, it has some tools and application. You can customize this as well. Click on edit and then remove unnecessary application from here and add your favorite or most usable application. After this, click on done. Now if you will open any tool or application from here, it will open it in floating window. Just like your desktop and your laptop, you can resize it from the corners like this, drag and drop it anywhere. If you want to close this, simply click on these three dots and then select close. So if you like to multitask, then you can use this smart sidebar feature. If you use your phone at night a lot, then you can use the next feature. Open your settings and then select display and brightness. The first feature is dark theme. If you enable this, then it will turn all the white colors that you have in your screen into blacks. This will decrease the pressure on your eyes. There's another feature. The feature's name is eye comfort. Click on this and then enable this. It will warm the color of your screen a little bit. You can also set the intensity from here. This will also decrease the pressure on your eyes. So you can use these two features if you use your phone at night a lot. If you use your phone with a single hand a lot, then the next feature is for you. Open your settings, select accessibility and convenience. There you will see the option of one-handed mode. Click on this and then enable this. Now if you are using gesture navigation, then simply swipe from the middle bottom like this, then it will enable the one-handed mode. You can easily use your smartphone with a single hand now, and if you want to exit this, then click on this blank area. If you want to open any application in floating window, then open the application, put it in recent tab and then click on these three dots. There you will see the option of floating window. Click on this, then it will open it in floating window. You can also change the name of any application. If you want to do this, then tap and hold on this. Then tap and hold on the application and then select edit. From here you can change the name of any application very easily. These were some amazing tips and tricks and hidden feature of Oppo A5x 5G smartphone. If you like this video, then please hit the like button and let us know in the comment section which feature you like the most. We will see you in the next one. Till then, have fun and keep on exploring your smartphone.